Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, there's electric sliding side doors, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior, the front seats are heated and both have massage function. The touchscreen, this comes with sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car also has blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Long wheelbase Traveller that comes with the 2-litre Blue HDI engine. Now this gives you 150 horsepower, there's a 6-speed manual gearbox, the car's done under 16,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.